Are you singing to them to go to sleep?
Yeah.
Look at her sleeping friends right there. What are they doing, Leilani?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Yeah.
There's two? Oh. What are they doing?
Yeah.
Tell me what they're doing, baby. Leilani. Leilani. That one over there is playing with the cars.
Huh?
What are they doing?
Go?
That's a TV? Yeah. But what are your babies doing? Are they sleeping?
Yeah.
Okay, sing to them to go to sleep, okay?
Go. Mama.
Oh, your blanket fell? Oh, you got it. You got it. You're cute. What's that face for? Is that your new face? Let me see. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you show me your head? What about your nose? Your mouth? That's your hands. Say hi, hands.
Hi.
Now show me your mouth. Your eyes?
Hi.
Those are your ears. Show me your eyes. Those are your eyes. Now where's your ears? Yeah. Where's your toes? Yeah. Where is your teeth? Now let me see your big smile. Show mommy a big smile. That's your sleeping face. What about a smiley face? That's your, what face is that? You don't know?
No.
Oh, sorry. What is your name?
Mama.
Don't fall down. What's your name?
Mommy.
How old are you?
2.
Oh, thank you. That's one. You have to do 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Go like this. You can do 1 on 1. There you go. 2. Where's Logan or Gogo?
Go.
Where's Gogo?
Go.
Gogo. Gogo, we hear you, but where are you? Gogo. Gogo.